Hi viewers, today we're looking at the lower function in MySQL Workbench, which is the lowercase function, which converts uppercase or proper case text into lowercase. So we'll start by using the world database and selecting all from the city table, and I run that, see what it comes out with. As you can see, there is a country codes column in the city table, and we're going to convert all of these country codes to lowercase. So basically I'm going to put it in as an extra column so that we can still see the data. So I'm going to put a comma there, space, and then I'm going to say page down to the lower function. You can press Control Space to get the function menu to come up if it doesn't pop up. So page down to the lower function, press Tab. Then within that, I'm going to type in country code, and I'm going to run that country code and see what happens. As you can see on the left side, there is an additional column added in, which is a calculated field from the country code column, and it's put the country codes in lowercase. That's basically the lowercase function within the lowercase string function or text function within MySQL Workbench.